Sekuphele iminyaka emithathu selokho uVatlin Kekana kanye noRaf Kanyana badutshulwa babulawa. Leli cala selinabasolwa abayishagalolunye manje nokufaka phakathi ilungu leANC esishayamthetho UTolly Mashamaite, umfowabo umphathi omkhulu kumasipala waseMokopane kanye nosomabhizinisi. Ngolwesibili leli cala lahlehliselwa ulwesibili lwangesonto elizayo. Kanummeli kaMashamaite uthi bona baye enkantolo ephakeme Polokwane nokuyilapho Mashamaite ededelwe khona ngebheyili.
Well, it is true that UTolly Mashamaite has been released on bail, and Mfana Petrus Mohlabisi as well has been released on bail of 5,000 each. They were released after an urgent application that we made to the High Court. They were released by the Polokwane High Court today.
Amalungu omphakathi eMokopane asekwamkelile ke ukuboshwa kwabasolwa abayishagalombili ababandakanyeka kuleli cala.
Now we're having the eighth accused. It says we are going to know everybody who's a role player in this saga. So I think we're satisfied. Let's allow the process to correctly unfold without any interference.
In 2020, we came here and told the police that we are sick and tired of political killings. They must investigate until the last person is arrested and prosecuted for the killing of all the comrades, starting from Legal Kalakala Pitpali until Comrade Ralph and Faltine.
Kange abanye abasolwa abahlanu sebengaphandle ngebheyili.